Now coming back with the fifth question, why is Earth called a blue planet? Why is Earth called a blue planet? Now I told you the portions which you are seeing on the Earth is blue in color. Okay, the Earth you are seeing 3/4 of the water is filled on Earth, and only one portion is on four. We divide the Earth into four parts. From the middle we divide, and from here we divide four parts. So from this four parts, only one part is having land, and the other three parts are having water. পৃথিবীকে আমরা চার ভাগ করলে তিনটে ভাগ পুরো জল, এক ভাগ হচ্ছে ল্যান্ড, মাটি। তো কোন ভাগটা তোমরা দেখবে বেশি করে? নীল ভাগটা। জল হচ্ছে নীল, তো নীল ভাগটা তোমরা বেশি করে দেখতে পারবে। দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই দ্য আর্থ ইজ নোন অ্যাজ আ ব্লু প্ল্যানেট। Our Earth is called a blue planet due to the abundant water. Abundant water means more water, beshi jol. On the surface, it is 3/4. That is 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water, then land. Now with action, how you'll do? Our Earth is called blue planet due to abundance of water, because due to more of water than land. Okay, that is 3/4, that 3 भाग, 4 भाग মধ্যে 3 भाग, 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water, then land. Did you understand? Now the sixth one, what is atmosphere, or what is atmosphere? Why is it important? Atmosphere means চারদিকে যে হাওয়া যে আছে, মানে হাওয়াই শুধু না, চারদিকে আমাদের চারদিকে যেটা দেখছো, দ্যাট ইজ অ্যাটমসফিয়ার। What is atmosphere? আগে তোমরা the layer of air that surrounds the earth is atmosphere. Atmosphere মানে the layer of the air, যে layer মানে একটা উপরে একটা যে হাওয়াগুলো, that is nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, that is the layer of air. Okay, that layer of air that surrounds the earth is atmosphere. যেই পৃথিবীকে পুরো ঢাকিয়ে রেখেছে এই লেয়ার অফ এয়ার, ওটা হচ্ছে an atmosphere. It is important. Why is it important? It is important কেন? Because it helps in breathing. Did you understand? Because air helps you in breathing only, because it helps you in breathing. Now what is a globe? What is globes and maps? How do they help us? What are globes and maps? A globe is a model of the earth. And a map is the drawing of the earth. A globe is the model of the earth. Do like this. A globe is the model of the earth, and a map is the drawing of the earth. Okay, how does it help? It helps us by showing all the features of the earth. Features of your faces, eyes, nose, mouth, and all that. Now features of the earth is continent, ocean, countries. There are a lot more. If you see on the thing, there's a lot more, like it's continent, ocean, trees, mountains, hills, all these are features. But in this map, the main features I'm talking about, it is the continent, and then it is the ocean, and it is the countries. It is the continent, it is the ocean means shake like this because it's water, and the countries. Did you understand? So a globe is a model of the earth. And a map is the drawing of the earth. It helps in showing the features of the earth, like continent and oceans is like this, and countries. Did you understand? Now the eighth one,